This is Down Palmer with GoldStar ATM, and today we're going to be going through how to add cash to your GenMega G2500. So we're going to start with the operator function, and then you'll enter your password. Then at that point, you're going to go to the ATM operator button, and then you go to the settlement in the top left corner, and then there's a number of options to adjust the cash or print how much cash is in there. Today we're going to be going over how to add the cash electronically to the machine. You'll click the Add Cassette button. At that point, if you have a machine with multiple cassettes, that'll give you options to do multiple cassettes. Otherwise, this machine only has one, so you'll click the Add Cassette, and then you can add the amount of cash that you're going to enter into the machine. And with entering the cash into the ATM specifically, it will be the number of bills, and it will not be the amount of numerical cash. It will be one, let's say a $20 bill is going in there, that's going to be one bill. So you're going to add in the number of bills. We'll do 5, and then that'll add it to the total number of bills, which is now 35. And at that point, you can see how much you have total by printing it out, just looking at it, or besides that, your ATM is ready to have money withdrawn from it.